My name is Abidazamba Anastin Lekeki. I'm a climate activist from the northwest region of Cameroon. I focus on two things: caring for nature, educating the generation to do the same. We can't fight climate emergency if we cannot protect and regenerate our land. That's why my colleague and I at Gender and Environment Watch are dedicated to regenerating the 2,000 hectare Kilim Asian forest. My community of 300,000 people depend on nature for livelihood. We find daily solutions in our forests and in our farmlands, but our natural resources face a lot of challenges. Deforestation, overexploitation, encroachment, and poor soil conservation. These are made worse by gender inequality, cultural barriers, little or no knowledge about the goodness of nature. Worst of them is the devastating bushfires. To make sure our forest continues to exist into the future, we work to educate our children that if they protect their forest, it will in turn protect them. We educate our children what it means to love nature and treat it with care. I call that raising a forest generation. To date, my organization has provided environmental education to more than 50,000 people in the Kilim Asian Forest area, 60% of them women. We have child-friendly sessions every week in our nurseries about trees found in our forest and how to take care of them. Through community radio, we reach out to many people. We also develop economic opportunities. We have trained over 2,000 people in the Kilim Asian Forest area in bee farming. When we recruit bee farmers, it's a chance to rebalance opportunities. We give 2 hives to women and 1 to men. We also teach them about honey production, beeswax extraction, making honey wine and honey juice, making detergents and lotions out of beeswax. When they tend their hives, people keep an eye out for bushfires, and income from bee farming means they can plant more trees. It's a powerful equation. Honey equals income equals job equals gender equality equals conservation. In 2020, We have planted 87,000 trees in the Kilimanjaro forest. Nature remains the greatest allies to reach out our climate mitigation targets. Planting trees is essential, but we also need to raise a forest generation that will thrive and live in harmony with nature.